Magento is complex in nature. Its architecture and the infrastructure needed for it is complex in nature because all the apps and extensions that are on Magento, they sit in the same place. It's like sharing and fighting for resources. And they conflict and they contradict. So not everybody understands that, as compared to Shopify and BigCommerce, which is only allowing to interact with the instance via API, via external. So the apps are sitting completely outside. In Magento space, everything is sitting at one place. That makes the system a little bit more complex to manage. But there are advantages of it. You own that whole thing. Because of this complexity, right? Other agencies do not have the capabilities that we have. We own our own product. We understand the architecture of those products very well, and we can support those products very well, which other agencies, they do not have those capabilities.